Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we'll study how to restore and hide missing labels in Excel. So here I have before me a sheet which contains the headings like department name, employee ID, and the salary. If you observe the department name, there are certain blanks, and this is maintained from readability point of view. Well, it actually maintains that all these employees belong to this department, hence these department names are not repeated. Same way, all these employees belong to admin training, hence these names are not repeated. All these employees belong to audit services, hence these names are not repeated. But the drawback of this technique is, if we happen to sort the employee name in the A to Z order, the employee names would get sorted, but the department names would remain there itself. And this would create a confusion as to the employees getting highlighted to a different particular department. To avoid this, what we will do is, we will restore the missing labels in all these particular cells. Let me show you how to first restore the missing labels. First, we'll highlight this column by clicking on the label A. After that, we'll click on Home, and in Home, we will select Editing, and in Editing, we'll select Find and Select, and over here, we'll select Go to Special. From here, we'll select Blanks, and we'll select OK. So all the blank cells will get selected from this particular columns. Now, after the blank cells have got selected, we'll give a formula in this A3 cell, and that is, we'll say equal to the earlier cell, that is A2. And now, instead of pressing enter, we will press Ctrl Enter, and you will see that the department names get restored across the entire column. So this is how you can restore the missing labels. Now what I want to do, suppose I want to maintain these labels, but I want to have them in white color so that while printing it looks more legible. In order to do that, I'll select this column by clicking on A2 and pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow to select this entire department. Let's delete these extra rows. So we click here and we press Ctrl Shift and down arrow to select this entire column. Now after we have selected this entire column, the next thing which we'll do is we'll go into Home, and in Home we'll select Conditional Formatting. In Conditional Formatting, we will say New Rule. And in the New Rule, we'll say use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here we'll give a formula that if the contents of A2 is equal to the contents of A1, that is the earlier cell, then format it to a color of white, and then we'll select OK, and then we'll select OK. So you will see that all the labels which were similar are maintained there, but they have become now white in color. So this would now look more legible while printing. So this is how we have hidden the labels. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have first studied how to restore the missing labels, and then we have seen how to hide the labels. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.